Hello everyone, my name is Lakshmi Jotsna. I am from section 16. My roll number is 21MA10029. For DIY assignment 1, I prepared a propeller. In order to make the propeller, the steps I followed are: first I want to prepare the swing. For preparing it, I used two very thin rectangles which are at an angle of 45 degrees. I used loft option and then I cut the part of this to make the shape of the wing. I used pad and boolean operation for it. Next, I want to make this inner part. In order to make this inner part, I used sketch. This is how I sketched my inner part. Now, after that, I revolved it along the x-axis. I used revolution option and I prepared this. This is how I prepared this part. Now I want the other wings to be made. So I copy pasted this common and I got common 001, common 002. So I got all the wings and I made all the wings to be at an angle of 90 degrees to each other. So I got all my wings ready for the propeller and the propeller is ready. So I used loft, pad, boolean operation and revolution for preparing this propeller. And now this is how my whole propeller looks like. This is the isometric view. And this is my propeller. I want it to be meshed. This is how my mesh propeller looks like. Next, I made it into an STL file and opened it in Cura. After opening it, I want to make it into 3D. I want to 3D print this propeller. So for that, my printing options are: I made it fast, 0.2 millimeters, layer height is 0.2 millimeters, infill density as 20%, infill pattern lines, printing temperature 200 degrees centigrade, build plate temperature 80 degrees centigrade, print speed should be less than 60 mm per second as given in the assignment, so I kept it as 50 mm per second. These are my printing options. Next, I want my volume of this propeller to be less than 200 into 200 millimeters. So all my XYZ values are less than 200 millimeters. Now I want to slice it. The time required for slicing is 5 hours 8 minutes. This is how it 3D prints. First, the lowest layer will be 3D printed, and next the other parts will be printed, and this is how the whole will be 3D printed. And the time should be less than 8 hours as given in the assignment, so it is 5 hours and 8 minutes. Thank you.